Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add and customize a screensaver on your Android phones. So in here, you can start by going to the settings apps on your phone. And then find the display and brightness options. Then in here, just scroll down until you find the screensaver option. So you can see the current setting is off, so I'm going to turn it on or enable it. Just click on a circle, and here you can choose a screensaver. You can customize or choose a photo. So let's just click on this. I'm going to just clock or photos. I'm going to just use clock, for example. Click on customize button, and here you can choose the style between digital and analog. I'm going to go with digital, and you can also enable the night mode for a very dim display for dark rooms. Okay, so you can choose when to start. There are three options: while charging, while dock, and also while charging or dock. And after that, you can see the preview first before saving the screensaver. Let's click on preview. So this is how it will look like, and you can just go back and it will be saved automatically. The screensaver will be on. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.